Guys, Kunal here, Bulls on Wall Street. Finally done with quarantine. I literally have been just twerking my chicken in my house for like a month. Great to be out. A lot of you guys are on the sidelines right now with your work. So many of my old students are coming back into the trading world while they got some time on their hands. You got time to learn. And I'm getting this question all the time. And I sat there thinking about, like, what are the characteristics that my best students have? What are the characteristics that make like a great trader? And I sat there thinking about all the students I've had since 2008. So I've been doing 60-day boot camps for nearly a decade. I'm on almost boot camp 50. It's a lot of 60-day boot camps. So I've had a lot of students come in, come out. I've had so many chances to get personal with these people and really get to know them, because in a 60-day course, like, you're really getting your hands dirty. I've had over 200 students come and stay at my house in the last so many years. So just thinking about what are the traits, what's that number one characteristic that a successful student of mine that they usually have in common? I'm going to tell you what it is. It's resilience. I know that sounds a little fishy, right? Like, what's resilience? My best students, they have this unique ability to do their work when they don't want to. Meaning, they have a bad day trading. They still at night do their scans. They do their trade journal. They do their homework. My worst students, and I'm actually, frankly, probably was like this most of my trading career, my worst students, when they lose, what do? It's a pizza party, it's a booze party, you're doing all sorts of stuff, but you don't want to do the nitty-gritty. See, most people, 99% of people, they're willing to do the work, especially that tedious work, when times are good. You make $5,000 trading, no problem, you want to do your journal. I want to do that journal, show my friends, show my teacher. But what about when you lose 5,000? Do you want to journal out every trade? No, it's tedious. And you want some time to yourself, right? You need to reflect, blah, 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 right? Now, the best students of mine, they're so resilient. They take that loss, they get to work right away. Like that day, they do all the stuff that they don't want to do. It's that resilience. See, this is the thing with trading. It's not a linear thing where you take a class like mine, you take some 60-day boot camp, you pay me a bunch of money, and all of a sudden, like, right, you're just making all this cash. It's not linear like that. The life of a trader is like, it starts here, and it goes up, and it goes shh. And it's like, and then sometimes it's like this, right? And it can feel like that. There's that ups and downs of it, and sometimes those ups and downs are pretty big. The best thing that you can do is be resilient. You get knocked down, you pick yourself up. Of course, that's a cliche, but it's more about, can you do that tedious work when you don't want to? Can you do that nitty-gritty when you don't want to? When you have something else going on and you don't want to, and you're still out there, you're pounding that process like every day. To be a great trader, there's only a handful of things you really need. You need to have a few go-to setups that you can use every single day, trading patterns. You got to be able to journal out your trades every day. You've got to do your homework. Preparation breeds confidence. Preparation breeds competence. And competence breeds confidence. When you look at 1,000 charts every day, I mean, I'm talking about 1,000 charts every day, you have a unique understanding of what's happening in the market. Is that tedious work that makes you into a great trader? But it's that resilience that does it, because there are going to be days that you lose money. There's going to be days that you get in a fight with your girlfriend. There's going to be days that your boss is yelling at you. There are going to just be days you're running around and your 9-year-old kid shits his pants and it hits the floor. Whatever. There's like gonna be some weird stuff that just happens every single day. That's life. While all this is going down, can you spend an hour for yourself and just focus and get down to work? And can you do it every single day? Because I'll tell you what, if you look at 1,000 charts every single day, identify the patterns, learn how they move, when they move, what time of day they move, and you go about that work every single day, in 100 days you're gonna see 100,000 charts. That's a lot of reps. In those 100 days, you're gonna journal 1,000 trades. That's a lot of reps. That's a lot of tedious work every single day. If you can do it without a break, you got a chance, but you gotta be resilient to do it. So guys, hopefully that helps. It's not about whether you're a doctor, lawyer, you went to college, not college. From what I've seen with my students, there's no like job qualifications that they all have in common. It's not like they all have master's degrees or they all have this. The one characteristic they all got is they're resilient. Guys, it's May. Everybody's getting out of quarantine. Get outside, have some fun, but man, do your work every single day. I look forward to seeing you on Tuesday and Thursday on YouTube Live. I always start at 9 a.m. I got some webinars coming up in the next couple weeks. I look forward to seeing you guys, and of course, always email me, kunal@bullson.ws, or you can always hit me up at my phone number, 517-974-1480. I love you guys. God bless you. Take care.